Bailey Sarian captivates millions with her electrifying blend of beauty, history, and true crime storytelling. Born on November 26, 1988, in California, she initially trained as a professional makeup artist. Sarian's breakthrough came with her YouTube series Murder, Mystery, and Makeup, merging crime stories with makeup tutorials. As she skillfully applies cosmetics, Sarian unveils chilling true crime narratives that keep viewers enthralled. Her innovative approach has led to explosive growth across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and beyond. Bailey's podcast, Dark History, delves into lesser-known historical events, showcasing her meticulous research abilities. This unique format not only entertains but educates, bridging the worlds of beauty and dark storytelling. With a diverse audience ranging from crime enthusiasts to beauty lovers, she has created a captivating community. Her raw honesty and emotional insights resonate deeply, transforming her storytelling into powerful connections. Sarian often incorporates her personal touch, sharing experiences that make each crime narrative even more relatable. Fun fact: Bailey's Dark History podcast was awarded Podcast of the Year at the 11th Streamy Awards. She continues to push boundaries, recently collaborating with Melt Cosmetics for a makeup line titled Fatally Yours. Bailey Sarian represents a new wave of digital creators, redefining content with her fresh and engaging approach. Through her lens, audiences discover a mesmerizing blend of artistry and the profound depths of human nature. Join the journey and uncover the compelling stories through Bailey Sarian's enchanting world of crime and beauty.